Doesn't this meal just look fabulous? Hi everybody, it's Jenna G. That's me, the hijabi from TNT, and today we are mixing it up a little bit. We have this delightful looking Thai inspired chicken with spinach and mushrooms and coconut milk. It sounds very complicated, I know, but it is so easy and quick. You'll be amazed. So let's get into the video on how we can go about preparing this lovely meal. Thai-inspired chicken with spinach and mushrooms and coconut milk. And first thing I did, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to my pan. And what I'm going to do next is add my mixture of cayenne pepper. It's 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to 2 teaspoons of JGM paprika, as well as 1 teaspoon of JGM medium hot curry. As soon as this is hot, I'm just going to add this in. Stir this around just a little bit. I'm going to wait until it starts to bubble, and then I'm going to add my chicken. So I have about 1 pound of chicken chunks here that I'm just going to add to this. And then I'm adding my chopped onions as well as my mushrooms. Followed by 2 cups of coconut milk. What I did was 1 tablespoon of coconut milk powder to 1 cup of boiling water. So I have 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder in here with 2 cups of boiling water. I'm just going to add this. The paprika in this would give it a lovely red color, as well as the cayenne. And we have the coconut milk and the curry that's just going to add so much flavors to this meal. So I'm just going to let this cook for about 5-6 minutes, and then we're going to add our spinach leaves to it, as well as some salt. So we'll be back. So it's 2 minutes into cooking, and what I'm going to do is add our salt. This is some plain salt to this, as well as some oyster sauce. And I'm leaving it uncovered. So I'm going to just leave this and let it cook until most of the water is gone, and then I'm going to just throw in our spinach leaves to it. And leave this on the heat for just a couple of seconds. And there we have our Thai inspired chicken with spinach and mushrooms in some coconut milk. Looks great. We'll taste it out just now. Alright everybody, so we just finished our Thai inspired chicken with spinach and mushrooms in coconut milk, and it looks delicious. It smells really good. So I hope you all try this recipe and give me some feedback on it. I love when we mix all the ingredients together. For example, this has oyster sauce in it combined with some curry and paprika and some coconut milk, and they all combine so well to just bring about these lovely flavors and the colors in it with the spinach. It looks awesome, and I hope you all try it out. If you all like this video, give it a thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe and make sure and share with all your friends. And do look out for the full written recipe on my website, which is www.jennergythehijabittt.com. You can find everything, details, as well as the ingredients, as well as all my other recipes that I've been trying and experimenting with so far. And I do hope you all enjoy it, and we'll be back for another cooking video very soon. So you all take care and have a great day, evening, night, whichever it is. Bye.